Hey, it's Angela from Vlog, Angela Marie Mead. Today I'm sharing how to build a DIY kids table. This kids table can be used as a desk or a play table or even a craft table. It's super easy and really budget friendly to build as well. We built this table for our son Jackson. He's 2 and we wanted him to have his own toddler size table. At the end of this video, I'm sharing some really big news that I've been super excited to share about. Before we get started though, I do want to mention I have printable build plans for this kids table on my blog, which is linked below this video in the description box. Alright, let's get started. We used 1x3s, premium 2x2s, and a 24-inch wide edge glued panel for this table. Use a miter saw and make the lumber cuts from the 1x3s and 2x2s. And cut the panel board to size with a table saw or a circular saw and straight edge guide. Again, you can get the cut list and build plans on my blog, linked below this video. Step 2 is to add pocket holes to the 1x3s for the table aprons. Use a Craig jig and add pocket holes to each end of the 1x3s and along one side of the 1x3s as shown here for the 4 table aprons. For the bottom middle support board, just add pocket holes on the 2 ends of the 1x3. Start by adding some wood glue to the ends of one of the 1x3 apron boards. Use 1/2-inch thick scrap boards or wood shims and place them under the table apron with the wood glue between 2 of the 2x2 legs. Make sure the pocket holes are facing upwards as these will be used to attach to the tabletop. Clamp everything in place and attach with 1 1/4-inch Craig screws. For the side frames of the table, we want our 1x3 desk apron to be inset a 1/2 inch from the table leg's edge, so that's why we used 1/2-inch scrap wood under the apron. Repeat these steps again to build the second table frame side. Now that we have the 2 sides assembled, we can go ahead and add the front and back apron boards and finish making the frame of the table. Place another 1x3 table apron between the 2 assembled sides. Clamp in place and attach together with wood glue and Craig screws. Flip the table over and attach the last 1x3 apron the same way. Step 4 is to attach the tabletop to the table frame. Mark 1 inch in from the tabletop corners. Add some wood glue to the top of the table frame. Then place the table frame upside down on top of the bottom of the tabletop, making sure to line up the 2x2 table legs with these marks, so the frame is centered on the tabletop. Clamp one side in place and attach the frame to the tabletop with Craig screws. Repeat again on the opposite side, making sure the legs are still aligned with the 1 inch marks. Finish attaching the last side aprons to the tabletop. The last step is to add the middle 1x3 support board on the underneath side of the table in the middle of it. Use Craig screws again. Flip your kids' table build over and now it's all ready for paint or stain. We wanted to paint our table, so we first primed all of the bare wood. For paint, we used Anchors Away by Sherwin-Williams in Eggshell. It's the same color we used on Jackson's DIY toy box and DIY bookshelf. I love it, it's such a beautiful navy. Okay, it's time to share our big news. For this table, we bought 2 chairs instead of 1 for it because I'm pregnant. We have another baby boy that's on the way and he's due this June. We're super excited and Jackson can't wait to be a big brother. We will, of course, have a lot more kids projects and a nursery makeover to plan. There's so many exciting things to look forward to in the upcoming months. Thank you so much for watching today, and don't forget the printable build plans linked below for the table. And if you want more fun DIY kids furniture projects, check out our DIY toy box video and DIY bookshelf video.